and I'll be showing you how to do the moonwalk. So you want to do that, and then we'll go like that. So it should look like this. So you want to do like that. Because some people always do like they have this and they do that and they. That's not the way how you do it. You should do like if you want to be like Michael Jackson. So, and that's how you usually do it. So for beginners, you want to put all your weight on this leg. Don't do that. Look like this. See how that is? So you can. That's why you can wear shoes. Some days you can't. It's just easier to use the socks because they're much more slippery up. So, this is actually in the where we usually record. Oh. Guys, stay there. What? I'm making a video. So that's how you do it. Okay. I don't know how to do it. Stay there. Stay there. So this is a tutorial of how to do the moonwalk.
Times the bins are out. Got food picked up.
Good man.
Huh? Washing up the living etc. if you want. You already did.
Well, this is the end. So